In this demonstration, I'm going to chart a new patient visit with a routine complaint of wheezing. Since this is a fairly common complaint, I'll show you how you can chart the encounter very quickly. First, let's view our note for this new patient without entering any information. Here you see the basic note layout with just the minimal information supplied by our patient at check-in. Now let's apply a global template for the patient's chief complaint of wheezing. Once we apply the template, we can view our note. With one simple click, the majority of your note is already pre-filled out for you. We can also select a template for a history of present illness. By applying an HPI template, you can quickly select what you would like to include in your note. Here you can view your completed HPI. Likewise, under the Review of Systems, you can quickly select your pertinent positives and negatives from a drop-down menu. Again, this allows you to chart quickly and efficiently by selecting pre-populated values, which are already included in your standard note format, but of course is completely customizable to your preferences. If the rest of your exam is normal, you can click the Normal Review of a System button, which will immediately populate the rest of the Review of Systems with your pre-selected normals. Moving to History and Habits, you can review current medical conditions and add additional ones if necessary. Likewise, on your physical exam page, input your abnormal values or simply click Normal if applicable. Now let's move to the medication section. Using your applied template, your default medications display here. You can easily link them to a pharmacy to e-prescribe. We will select the patient's preferred pharmacy. Now with one click, you can electronically send your script to the pharmacy of the patient's choice. Moving to the Assessment and Plan page, we see the defaulted ICD-9 codes associated with our global template. You can also add or delete codes if necessary. Additionally, when we select a diagnosis code, educational information is automatically sent to the patient via email. Alternatively, you can click on the red icon and print a copy out for the patient and hand it to them in the office. We then just indicate when we would like our patient to follow up. Lastly, we view our Orders and Procedures page. Our defaulted spirometry procedure and chest X-ray order appears from our selected template. We performed the spirometry in office. However, this patient was seen in the ER and has already had a chest X-ray performed, so we'll go ahead and delete this order. Similarly, we can upload the X-ray report and imaging right into the patient's chart for easy viewing. Now we just code our note. As mentioned earlier, the CPT and ICD-9 codes are automatically populated onto the patient's claim. You can see the codes displayed here. Now let's view our final note. Finally, we sign our note. You can easily send a referral letter right from your note or upon checkout. Waiting Room Solutions was designed with the sole purpose of improving your total practice efficiency, charting, optimized office workflow, one-click integrated billing, patient workflow, practice marketing, and revenue evaluation, among many other things, to give you complete peace of mind and allowing you to achieve greater freedom within and outside of your practice. Please fill out the form on the side to see how Waiting Room Solutions can help you achieve your goals.